Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Ford Focus 2008 to 2011? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine Compartment Fuse Box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2008 to 2009 and 2011 Ford Focus houses high-current fuses and relays that protect vital systems such as the engine control, cooling fans, ABS, and fuel system. It is designed for quick access and easy identification of components. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2010 Ford Focus contains high amperage fuses and relays responsible for essential systems like the engine management, ignition, cooling fans, and ABS. It supports efficient power distribution and system protection. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2008 Ford Focus manages low-voltage circuits such as interior lighting, power windows, radio, and climate controls. It provides organized circuit protection and supports convenient in-cabin electrical maintenance. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2009 Ford Focus controls various interior electrical functions, including the audio system, lighting, power windows, and climate control. It ensures proper circuit protection and efficient distribution of electrical power within the cabin. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2010 Ford Focus supports key interior systems, such as the instrument panel, power outlets, lighting, and infotainment. It ensures safe operation by protecting low-voltage electrical circuits from overloads. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2011 Ford Focus controls and protects interior electrical systems like the dashboard electronics, power accessories, lighting, and HVAC. It allows for organized circuit management and easy troubleshooting. Load compartment fuse box. The load compartment fuse box in the 2010 Ford Focus supports electrical components related to the rear of the vehicle, such as rear lights, trailer connections, and power sockets. It ensures safe power distribution and circuit protection for cargo area systems.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.